Top 5 Best Coffee Shops and Cafes in Dalat. Look beyond the popular coffee chains like the Coffee House, Phuc and Highland Coffee and you'll find the real hidden gems in Dalat. Here are some of the best cafes and coffee shops the city has to offer. From coffee shops with a social mission, to those with over 50 years of history, and some boasting magnificent views, Dalat is full of excellent cafes waiting to be discovered. 1. House of the Youth. House of the Youth is a quaint little cafe run by a team dedicated to one social mission, empowering the deaf. The premise of the cafe is rather unique. You are encouraged to sit in silence and only whisper among your friends. To order, you simply point at an item on the menu. The teas are made from in-house grown ingredients, the coffee from nearby farms and the desserts homemade. What adds to the uniqueness is that there is no indication of price. The cafe is run on donations. 2. Viet Coffee. In Dalat, people once gave up on coffee due to its exhaustingly low returns on investment, but thanks to the guidance of Mr. Quang of Viet Coffee, things turned around and coffee farmers now are not only able to make a modest living but also do so sustainably. Viet Coffee dons a modern industrial look with its warehouse-like interior surrounded by glass walls, and the roasters placed prominently in the back add a nice touch. 3. Phuc Cafe. Phuc Cafe is one of the oldest cafes in Dalat, having served its first cup of coffee in 1955. The location changed in 1960 and since then there have been no alterations to the interior decor, especially the valuable paintings that represent the artistic tastes of a bygone generation. Back in the day the cafe was popular among the gentlemen in town, and many historic individuals passed by and enjoyed a cup of coffee along with a cigar. 4. Rose Villa Cafe. A wooden cottage painted in white, decorated with rustic tables and chairs, set amongst a garden of roses, the Rose Villa Cafe is an Instagram-perfect venue. The menu doesn't overwhelm and your order comes with a side of free iced tea. Try the banh mi opla for breakfast with a café soda and enjoy the ambience. There is free Wi-Fi available, but you really don't need it if you've got a good book or friend to keep you company. Great for a stopover when visiting Crazy House, a popular attraction in Dalat. 5. Windmills Coffee. Windmills Coffee is impressively decorated, a romantic place for couples to enjoy a coffee date, despite being in the city center. The menu includes delicious meals in addition to coffee and tea, such as pizza and pasta. All produce is locally sourced and truly organic. You can top off your meal with their delicious desserts, and make sure to try their homemade yogurt. There are 4 branches in the city. Visit either one of them and take a walk around town.